Team 4 will be presenting Walmart's system proposal. Walmart is a company that focuses on their customers paying low prices for everyday items. Walmart would like to mobilize as a brick mortar company, which enables them to have stores, warehouses, and be available online. Our group will be focusing on the technological side of Walmart. A technology strategy that Walmart has been trying to implement is machine learning. Machine learning is a step in the right direction for Walmart because machine learning helps give their customers products that they are more likely to buy by learning from the customer's purchasing habits. Walmart's application on mobile devices is our main priority. An issue that Walmart's application has faced is their servers shutting down. This causes customers on the Walmart application to lose track of the items that they had saved on their cart or not being allowed to continue using the application for a certain amount of time. The application can start lagging when there are many customers on the application. The lagging of the application can cause certain mishaps in the customers not getting the right orders, some items not being added to carts, or even products that never make it to the customer. The business development team wants to create an application altogether in order to help the system from slowing down with server issues and update the software with new technologies implemented within the system. We would like to start at the most basic level of the application and work from the ground up. This would mean creating a new application in which customers may not have to be interrupted when shopping online. We would like to create the application to work with updates, but not while the user is on the system. We have two alternate solutions. We would like to implement a system outside the app that works with the updated software and servers by having regional updates on the current Walmart application, which would be pushed out at certain times of the day. We will push out surveys towards our valuable customers to get an idea on what are the best times for the particular updates or servers to work or be pushed out as a means to combat the issue of disrupting customers' online shopping experience. Another alternate solution is we would like to implement a machine learning software only within the application as a massive update on the application. We will notify all our customers that an update will be coming into effect and they will have to update the application. This is my system analysis.
Next, I want to move on to some of the key stakeholders involved with this redesigned app. The first we have are customers or the users who are going to be using this app. Then we have competitors, so companies like Amazon who are in the same line of business as Walmart. Then investors who obviously want to see this app do well. Fourth is suppliers, or the ones that are supplying the products that are going to be sold on this app. And then finally, the ad purchasers who are purchasing ads to make their products appear more often on this app. And all of these five groups obviously have a stake in this project, so it's important that we keep them in mind as we move forward. And then getting into the work plan and staffing estimations, the 6 different types of people we'll primarily need for this project are going to be the project manager, business analyst, systems analyst, back-end developer, front-end developer, and quality assurance. Along with these 6 types of people, the methodology we're going to be using for this project will be agile, as when building an app, you're constantly going to be iterating, changing, accepting feedback. So we want to use a principle like agile, where we'll have the opportunity to go back and change anything if we need to. And lastly, getting into the feasibility analysis, we can first see that the system makes sense technically because Walmart already has the app infrastructure in place to build such a system. Economically, first, Walmart has the funds to create such a system, and also it's going to improve customer satisfaction, which means that the return on investment will be high. And then finally, organizationally, it aligns with Walmart's mission of improving the lives of customers. And so with this app, it's going to make people's lives easier, which aligns with what Walmart wants to do. And so in all, this system really makes sense technically, economically, and organizationally.
So let me start with the assumptions part of our proposal. The first assumption is the mobile app will continue running on all app stores and all mobile devices so that all Walmart customers will be able to use the app. App improvements will occur behind the scenes, not interrupting any e-commerce traffic flow. And the third assumption is that the app will easily make it differentiate between regular customers and Walmart Plus customers on the app. The constraints for our proposal would be, number one, the improvements made are actually worth the cost for the improved quality, meaning they're actually helping people with convenience and working on opportunity. The second one would be instructing and educating people how to utilize these new features to the app. So just teaching people who might not necessarily understand how to use the new features since they're accustomed to the old ones. And the third would be what stakeholders want or require to get out of the app improvements. If they don't see them working out properly or being worth the time and effort put into them, then there's no point in moving forward. The risks involved would possibly be making the app more complex to use for the majority of customers. Again, the improvements are supposed to help people, not make it more harder for them to shop. The second one is it might not necessarily be an improvement users would want. Third would be it could create vulnerabilities or bugs for possible data breaches, which would hurt Walmart's credibility and reliability. And the fourth would be Walmart might not be able to sustain more app features on its own. So it either have to pay more to outsource or it might become unstable and not support itself. And finally, additional considerations would be late deliveries, which would possibly cause inaccurate inventory, which can hurt their business because if we're trying to create an app that has accurate inventory displayed, if someone orders something and it's actually out of stock, but it says it was in stock, that might hurt Walmart. Or if it says out of stock when someone wants to order and it's actually in stock, then Walmart again is missing out. It's bad, especially for people who pay for the Walmart Plus subscription who expect the on-time deliveries.
Now, in order to figure out what we need for our system, we will be doing a requirements determination. First, our analysis approach. We'll be doing both problem analysis and informational benchmarking. We'll analyze the app reviews and then see the most common problems and then brainstorm solutions. And then to know how to improve on ourselves, we will be referring to our main competitor, which is Amazon, and do informational benchmarking to see what they're doing that's effective and integrated into our app. Our elicitation techniques would be questionnaires and observation. Questionnaires by sending out surveys to users and gain their direct feedback. We will be taking that information we got from our customers and walk through the app to observe what features need improvement. Then we'll need to know the users that will benefit from us improving this app. We have two kinds of customers, which is the regular customers and the Walmart Plus customers. They have mostly the same capabilities, such as making an account, purchasing things from Walmart, placing orders, checking the order status, and stuff like that. But Walmart Plus customers have more capabilities like mobile scan and go and exclusive prices just for them. Other users of the app would also be IT administrators who will be maintaining and implementing changes for the app, and customer service representatives, which will help the users with any issues they may have. Here's the list of all the functional requirements. They highlight some of the most important functionalities that a Walmart customer can use. And this is the list of all the non-functional requirements that would ensure that the customer will have a seamless experience and so that all their information and privacy is protected.
This is the usage model. On the left-hand side, you can see all the features that the customers can do on the app, and the backend developer has to code all these features. On the right, the database manager creates a database of all these products as well as the account info. Walmart receives payments from the customers as well as logging in the schedules, wish lists, and registries. The front-end developer creates the look of the app, so they have to make the app both easy to use and readable. Moving on, we have the activity diagram. This shows the flow of the customers. So first thing they have to do is sign in. If they don't have the account, they have to create one. And afterwards, they can go to Walmart and start using the app and make purchases. While all this is happening, data from the app is being used in machine learning to personalize their experience. So one of this is to get the customers to buy more. Here's the class diagram. This just shows all the requirements and attributes that every sort of element has. This is the use case. It shows the process of using the app to help the customers with their shopping experience. The primary actors, of course, the customers. And for the general interest, the customers want to have a better experience with the app. They don't want it to be slow. They want it to be easy to use. And Walmart wants the app to be better so that it can increase sales and customer satisfaction. The company is going to do this by improving the app as well as implementing machine learning. This is going to be tailored for each customer and show them products that they are more likely to purchase. This is the normal flow. It shows the flow of the customers when they're shopping. It checks to see what account type they have. This determines the machine learning algorithm. Next, we have them getting to Walmart and following up by what they're doing there. And if they're just doing shopping, they can view the items and They can either add it to cart or just view the details such as nutritional facts. Additional things that the customer can do is they can make appointments or add items to the wish list. And after all that, data is collected and used in machine learning. Thank you.